Okay guys, these are my 24-inch clamps from Harbor Freight. I've had these for way over a year now. 24-inch one costs $12.99. Now when you compare the price of that to say an Airwin 12-inch, which is 24-inch, which is $34, it does exactly the same job, just as well. It has got a lifetime guarantee on it, from Harbor Freight. Anything goes wrong, you just take it straight back and change it. But as I say, I've been using these for over 12 months now, and I haven't had a problem with them at all. You can even take off the end, use that up there like that, put it back on there like that, and you've got the clamp. You've got a clamp that can separate. Come on, versatile clamp. When you consider how much the more expensive ones are, you start going into the Betsy's and that, they're way expensive, and yet they just do the same job, clamp wood together. That is the 12-inch clamp. That one costs $9.99. Again, over 12 months. Use them all the time. Great clamps, no problems with them at all. That one's the 6-inch clamp. Again, use them all the time. Use them all the time, over 12 months, not a problem. And these are the cheaper clamps. That is a 6-inch clamp. But okay, this one, again, I've had these for over 12 months. This one costs $3.50. $3.50. Now, I have had one of these fail in a couple of months after I bought it, but that was on one of the 12-inch ones, which I'll show you in a minute. If you look on the back there, you got the ridges where it locks up. What happened is the ridges failed on the bigger one. I took it back to Harbor Freight and they just changed it there and then straight away without any questions whatsoever. And I don't think these ones have got a lifetime guarantee, but they still changed it anyway. Now that's the 12-inch one. That costs $4.50, guys. Clamps wood together. You can't complain at that price. If you can get a year out of it at least, but I've had them well over a year. Use them all the time. Now I've just been down there today and I've just bought myself another 12-inch one. If you look there, guys, it actually says lifetime guarantee. Now you take it back into them and they'll change it without a problem. I love these clamps and I wouldn't go to anything else because the price is great and they do a great job.